Halloween 4.
This is BBC One. We have interrupted your irregular programming to bring you an important announcement. Please stay tuned to this channel. We have some shocking news tonight. There is a reported outbreak of a lethal virus and violent have deceased beings across Britain. These two outbreaks are reported to be closely connected. London has officially fallen to the beings, and there is widespread damage and destruction across the southeast, Essex, Norfolk, and Suffolk as the virus spreads rapidly. The virus has been named the IV2002. In order to prevent its spread, please stay indoors and avoid contact with any of the beings it has infected. This virus is a huge danger to life. Symptoms of the virus include a hacking cough, a high fever, coughing up blood, a headache, nausea and a greenish tinge to the skin. The virus eventually leads to death. After around 30 minutes, the deceased return to a form of life and begin attacking the living, biting them to spread on the IV2002. In order to stop these zombie-like beings from multiplying, please terminate anyone nearby who you think has the IV2002, no matter how close they may be to you. The beings can be stopped by delivering a blow to the head or destroying the brain. We repeat, the beings can be stopped by delivering a blow to the head or destroying the brain. In order to prevent contact with the beings, please stay indoors and barricade all doors, windows, or other possible entries to your home. Please head to the lowest and most central room in your home and bring a battery radio in case TV services go off air. The Queen and Prime Minister Blair will both separately address the nation soon in order to reassure the populace during these frightening times. We would like to bring you some updates as we continue to fight the beings, whom we shall now refer to as zombies.
The Winchester Tavern in the London borough of Herring is believed to be a hotspot for zombie activity. The BBC understands it is due to a group of survivors who are trapped inside the building. Please stay away from the building and do not attempt to rescue anyone who may be trapped inside of it. We cannot stress enough how important it is to stay indoors and stay calm during these testing times. We are confident that we shall overcome this crisis. Normal programming will be temporarily suspended in order to protect our staff that work on our programs. However, BBC Radio 1 and BBC Radio 2 shall continue broadcasting from a secure, undisclosed location to provide updates. That is all from the BBC. We wish you the best of luck, and we do believe we shall emerge into a better world once we defeat the IV2002 and the zombies. Goodbye, good luck.